In this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can download Binance on your laptop or PC. So first, you want to just search for Binance.com, okay, or just search for Binance on your browser and then click on the first results. Now, after you are here, you don't need to log in, okay, by the way. Just search for Binance.com, then you want to click here where it says Binance crypto exchange for Bitcoin or whatever. After you are on this page, don't log in into your account, just click here, okay, this icon here, this download icon, and then just move your mouse there, and then at the bottom here you can see more download options here. Click on it. Now you will be able to see Android and iOS. If you just scroll down a little bit, you will be able to see here Windows. You can also click on other desktop options if you are downloading this for Mac or Linux. Now I'm going to download this for Windows. Just click on Windows, and as you can see, the Binance app is downloading right now. It's going to take a few seconds, as you can see here. Now after download, I'm going to show you how you can install it. As you can see, the app or the program has been downloaded successfully. Now I'm going to click on yes, and then here select the language. I'm going to go with English. Now just click on install. Now it's going to take a few seconds before installation. We're just going to close all these programs. It's very, very simple. Okay, just give it a few seconds. After that, you just need to click here. It says finish, and then you have downloaded successfully downloaded the Binance. As you can see, you will be able now to buy whatever you want here. This is the app. Now you can search for it here, this in the Windows here. Whenever you want to open Binance, just search for Binance. You will be able to find it here. Then click sign up, and that's it. Now you can start buying cryptocurrencies. Hopefully this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated. See you.